How to fix personal hotspot not showing up on iPhone iOS 16. Open your settings app, here we go. Scroll down and head towards the option of mobile data, open it. Now head towards this option of network selection, open it. Make sure you have toggle on for this option of automatic. With that, you will be good to go. Now you can go and check whether personal hotspot is showing up and working or not. Likewise, head towards the main page of settings. Another thing you can do is scroll down, go to the option general, scroll all the way down, head towards the option of transfer or reset iPhone. Now tap on the option reset, tap on the option reset all settings. Now type in your passcode over here and continue with the process. After you reset all the settings of your phone, your problem will be fixed. Likewise, another thing you can do is head towards the main page of settings, go to the option general, go to the option software update. If any updates are available over here, you can just tap on this option of download and install and update your software to its latest version. This is also gonna solve your problem. Likewise, the last thing you can do is give a fresh restart to your phone. For that, head towards the option of general, scroll down, tap on the option shutdown. Now swipe this icon to the right and your phone will be off. After you turn off your phone, again turn it back and check whether personal hotspot is working or not. By applying all of these solutions, your problem is definitely gonna be fixed. So this is how you can fix personal hotspot not showing up on iPhone iOS 16. If you guys find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.